Hi guys, this is 2009 Mazda 6 34J. So this one I'm going to replace today the rocker cover gasket and the plug seals. So then we start it. So we first have to remove all the ignition coil connectors and the cam sensors. So we off the connector for the ignition coil wires, and you can see in here this is the 8mm bolts. It's a nuts actually for the two, this one, and so then we have to remove the top cover, the clips. So you can see the inside of this ignition coil is leaking oil, a little bit oil inside. So this is the cam angle sensor. Then you have to take off this breather line, the rocker cover. So then after you have to see in here number 10 mil ball bracket. You have to off that one. The side way, and then have to back the 4 bolt. You have to remove it. And you have another 2 bolt in here, one here and one here. You have off that too. So you can see here the plug seal and the rocker cover in here. this area. So we're going to off the whole gasket. So when you after cleaning the rocker cover gasket, you have to put some elastic at the corners. I put the 2 point. All good. So first install the plug seal. And can rubber melt. You tap it. So get the first edge in here. All good. Then rubber mallet. We're going to install the rocker cover. All good. We cleaned all the surface. So this way. All good. So we installed all the bolts and you go to tighten for the rocker cover. This bracket, and the 10mm bolt, and put back the ignition coil. And the cam sensor. All good. And I put back the dipstick. the number 15 spanner, then tight it. Make sure all the tight the nuts and bolts and wire connector. Okay, we finally installed the rocker cover gasket. You can see everything put back together. So finally we start the car and make sure any oil leak in the rocker cover gasket somewhere. Now this one is all good. So this is the end of the video. We see you in the next one. Thanks.